Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Blue Wave 18-foot by 52-inch above ground swimming pool. Extend your home to the backyard this summer with the above ground swimming pool. The whole family will create countless memories swimming, splashing, and relaxing together. Designed for years of fun and enjoyment, the top rails and verticals are crafted from resin for the ultimate defense against corrosion. A steel wall with a modern pattern combines durability with beautiful design, making it the perfect addition to your yard. All necessary equipment and accessories are included for a complete and hassle-free installation. Product benefits includes a standard gauge blue liner, skimmer, pump and filter system, and an A-frame ladder. 30-year limited warranty. An attractive, overlapping pattern creates a modern, woven design that will blend seamlessly with any setting. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.